Hey YouTube. So I cooked a turkey burger with some grilled onion, grilled jalapenos in the jar, and some pickles on the side. Let me show y'all. So this is what it is right now. And this burger is basically it's got onion on top. It got onion on top, and I got I got pepper jack cheese. So this, ooh, I'm bit my tongue, y'all. This right here, it's my banger. Okay, yeah, I put a lot of lettuce on there. So I put two fronts on the cool, but that's okay though. Y'all ready, y'all? Yeah. 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 Oh my god. Oh. No. Y'all see that steam, bro? It's so good. With the pickle. Y'all. This shit is so good. It is like good. No. No. It is so good. Like, I'm in my fat room, y'all. I was so hungry. I was like, you know what? I can't go in my makeup room. I'm hungry now, but y'all. How y'all day, man? Like, I'm a shopper, food shopper. I did my makeup. I didn't even come to YouTube for my makeup, but that's okay. But I wasn't feeling good early this morning. I felt sick, like really bad. But went to Walmart, y'all. I can see I got like two fronts, but that's okay. It's still good. More onion for me, more bread. But yeah, my nails not done, so that's a shock. But I went to Walmart today. Um, I love pickles, y'all. I'm at food shopping. I mainly got like turkey. I got like a lot of turkey, a lot of chicken, a lot of seafood products, a lot of food, whatever. I got a lot of food stuff, you know. And I got pickles. So yeah. Um, yeah. It is so juicy. Like when I did cook it, I put it on my stove. Yeah, if y'all hear me smacking, I'm so sorry. I'm hungry. It's like the first thing I like to eat right now, like the first thing. But It is so good. But what was I saying? I forgot. Damn, I forgot. But I said something, but I forgot. Mm. I don't really eat pork or beef. Pork, beef. That's basically it. That cheese is melting out. Look at that cheese. I only eat actually is just like chicken, seafood, like any type of seafood. Chicken. I have a certain type of chicken I eat. Well, a certain brand I eat. I like the air fried chicken, even though it's a little expensive, but it's still good. Because you can taste the difference when you do buy the air chicken. So, that's good. Yeah, I really made my chicken burger really fat. So I love turkey. So when I ask, basically it's like a, I won't say like a diet I'm on. This basically is when I was like, I'm gonna say year like 20. I'm gonna say 2016. No, 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 that's what no, 2016. I hear that? It's the storm. It's gonna storm. But oh yeah, it's good. 2016. I'm starting to get a little, bigger. Um, oh, I started getting a little bigger, like in my stomach wise. I don't really care about my thighs and all like that. I just care about my stomach. And I basically, that in 2015, my father passed away. And I was in high school still. He passed away January the 18th, I believe. The 18th. My brother called me. I was at school. He told me he had cancer, pancreatic cancer. And yeah. I ain't go to all in that detail. That's my next story time. Okay. But anyway. So after 2016, I kind of felt not beautiful as I should as an individual independent black woman. Well, I was a girl in that year, but now I'm a woman. yes, I'm higher and everything. Okay. So within that year, I said, I'm gonna make a change, and I have my ups and downs. I really couldn't make a change, so I kind of like blew it off a little bit. And plus, I worked at McDonald's back then, so it really didn't help. So I didn't really actually push myself to do it more. So I want to say in 2018, that's when I finally commit to no beef, no pork, no fast food, rarely fried food, only in air fry. And so, oh yeah, the storm. And so after I commit more that year, then later on, like after months and years pass, I see myself like dropping my weight. Because when I was 13, I was considered overweight to doctors. But because I was 5'8", I was like almost 3 something. But my son was really big when I was 13 years old. And my mom, said, hey, you guys can get in sports. So, got in sports. Um, but I'm not mad that she did it, because any parent want their child, not obese, want to like bathe themselves, wash themselves, like, nobody want that as the mother or the father or whatever. That's understandable. So, yeah. Oh, no. I almost finished this burger. My whole plate is clean. So, I'm gonna do some juice out this plate, y'all. After that, I started switching on it. Ooh, got a kick to it now. I started committed to it. So, now it's 2020. Sucky ass here. We got the coronavirus. Then we had the fucking Lauren hurricane. It sucks ass. Huh. Hopefully, next year, it'd be different. You know? So, honest reality, this year sucks. Like, can't see my TV yet, y'all. This year sucks ass. It really does. So, yeah. So this is my outfit I had on, y'all. I had to fix myself. I'm gonna get up so I can show you my outfit. This outfit I had on today. As you guys see, this is my stomach right here. But I don't care. I love my stomach. You don't like my stomach, I can go to somebody's YouTube channel. BBW, we're in season. We been in season. Yeah, that's been y'all members in that closet for so long. Y'all been out that closet. Welcome back. Welcome. But I tell myself I have more confidence and stuff like that. But no, my confidence off the roof. If you don't fuck with me, I don't fuck with you. If you don't talk to me, I don't talk to you. You feel me? So now, y'all, I put to give me some water. I drink the whole bottle of water. If I ain't getting no water, I'm gonna give me some mango juice. Those who know, I love mango juice. I love mango juice. I love my mango juice. I want to sit up so my food can digest properly. After that, it's good. Yeah, that burger was so good. Like, tomorrow, I work 10-hour shift. That's okay. Get that shit money. Okay. Get that shit money. But I don't know what I'm gonna cook when I get off work. So I'll probably not cook. I'll get off late. I get off real late. I'll probably eat like a little hot pocket or something. Like, just call it a day. For my hot pockets, I want my hot pocket up in the air fryer. So instead of microwave, all that radiation. So when I heated my food, like if I said I had like some broccoli rice or something like that, I put my broccoli rice in there. Put like a little, foil paper. Put the foil paper with the broccoli rice. Put the boom, put it in there, and boom, chicken in my air fryer, and I call it a day. But I want to thank y'all for saying to my banging turkey burger with pickles on the side. Y'all have a great rainy night and be blessed.